Good afternoon to one and all. Myself, I am Bhavani, first year BPC, COE Karinagar. Today I am going to explain about phylum Ctenophora. Ctenophora is also known as sea walnuts or comb jellies or sea gooseberries. They are exclusively marine. Most of the organisms of phylum Ctenophora live in marine water. They are radially symmetry. Radially symmetry is nothing but when a plane passes to the central axis of a body from different directions, divide the body into many equal halves is called as radially symmetry. They have diploblastic organization. Diploblastic organization is nothing but the two geminal layers, the external ectoderm and the internal endoderm is called as diploblastic organization. They have tissue level organization with few organs. The body wears 8 external rows of ciliated comb plates which helps in locomotion. These are the largest organisms to swim with the help of cilia. They have a special property called bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is nothing but the property of emitting light by living organisms. This property is well marked in Ctenophora. Digestion takes place by both extracellular and intracellular. Extracellular means outside the cell. Intracellular means inside the cell. Sexes are not separate. A single individual has both male and female gametes. Reproduction takes place by sexual methods. Fertilization is external. Most of the organisms of phylum Ctenophora release eggs and sperm into the water. When the sperm reaches the eggs, fertilization takes place. Development is indirect. Urobackia, Homifera are the examples for phylum Ctenophora. These are the basic characters of phylum Ctenophora. Thank you.